The Object Browser in ActivInspire helps you to easily view and modify the objects and layers within your flip chart. The Object Browser is the third option within your browsers. If your browsers are not visible, go to View, then Browsers. In ActivInspire, everything you add to a flip chart is an object of one kind or another. For example, creating annotations with the pen tool, adding an image, or linking to a sound file. The Object Browser shows details of the objects on the current page. Although a page is flat, a flip chart actually has 4 layers. Think of these as transparent sheets which can only contain certain object types, unless you move objects from one layer to another. The top layer contains annotations and anything you draw with the connector. The middle layer contains images, shapes, and text objects. The bottom layer is initially empty, though you can drag and drop objects onto it. The background layer consists of backgrounds, grids, and page color. Use the Object Browser to isolate objects, drag and drop between the layers, or from one layer to another. Objects can be stacked on top of each other. This can be handy for creating activities. You may also use the Object Browser to view locked and hidden objects. Select the small menu icon of any object to access editing options, including locked and hidden.